So guys, we've recently had some big news in that Apple are definitely looking to make a flip style phone, and it's going to be coming out really soon. Let me tell you all the details about this today, and also I'll give you a summary of everything we know about the possibility of an iPhone 17 flip. So first of all, let's talk about then this leak that we've had right in, and you can see it right here. It's from Ross Young. Now, if you know anything about Ross Young, he's been quite a good reliable leaker, especially in kind of screen technology. So whenever there's a screen involved with a Mac or with an iPad or with an iPhone, he's normally quite good and reliable with his leaks. And as you can see right here, you can see he's got a statement here that Apple are looking to change and revolutionize the kind of flip sort of smartphones out there. But the thing is though, it looks like we're going to have to wait out till 2026 to get this. Now, this is amazing news to hear that Apple are finally going into this market, because obviously other sort of flip phones have existed now for ages, and also we've had the likes of different kind of foldable kind of phones too. What I mean by a foldable kind of phone, I'm talking things like the sort of Pixel kind of fold, I'm talking like the Samsung Galaxy kind of fold phones, you know, OnePlus have brought out their own kind of fold. There's lots of other sort of big Android manufacturers out there, and I'd probably actually argue that probably more of them than not have actually brought out a foldable sort of device or foldable kind of phone out there, and Apple's probably one of the key players out there who hasn't actually invented or brought out any kind of foldable device as of yet, or a foldable screen device as of yet, but it looks like their time is coming. Now, what we've actually heard in lots of leaks and rumors in the past about a possible sort of flip or fold kind of phone, it does look like that Apple are looking to make more of a kind of flip sort of style. So what I mean by this, I mean kind of like the Motorola kind of Razr kind of sort of style, or for example, like the Samsung Galaxy kind of flip sort of phones out there. And the great thing about Apple making a design like this, it means that it's going to be very easy to sort of move, say, the current version of iOS, whatever that will be when that launches with the phone, over to a flip kind of phone from their current kind of bar phone, because the actual sort of screen interface will be very similar to what we have right now. So this will be easy to migrate over. Now, like I said, it is great for Apple to finally go into this market, because we've actually had loads of leaks in the past, and I've even spoke about these in previous videos. You can see a few of them highlighted just here next to me right now, for example, on some of the actual leaks that have actually come out. And then also we've seen some patents going in too. Now, obviously patents don't always mean that, you know, the actual design that they're actually submitting is definitely going to come to fruition. It's not actually going to be definitely created. But when you're getting a leak like this from Ross Young, and also some of the most recent leaks that we've had in that Apple are looking to make kind of a flip kind of phone out there, I think it's getting more and more obvious now that maybe they're a little bit late to the party, Apple here, but they are finally going to be bringing out their new kind of flip phone. And whether this will be called, say, the iPhone Flip, or for example have a number next to it, one thing I would say is if it's coming out in 2026, it's not going to be the 17 Flip, so it's probably more likely going to be the 18 Flip, or it could just be called the iPhone Flip, and it could actually start up its own number sort of series, a bit like what we had with the Apple Watch Ultra series. You know, we're not on the Apple Ultra sort of 10 now, we're actually on the Apple Ultra 2, and even though it's still a watch product out there. So I believe that this could happen here with the flip kind of iPhone. Now, one thing that we also know is that in 2025 that we're going to be getting a different kind of phone out there, where we're going to get a redesign with the potential of, say, a iPhone sort of Air or iPhone sort of Slim. And then also we've seen leaks and rumors bouncing around that the iPhone 17 Pro models could also get a full redesign too. So this would be cool for the year after to actually bring out a flip phone too, you know, from Apple. And finally, as a lot of you guys have been asking for, some innovation from Apple on their designs and changes, it looks like Apple are finally listening, and that they're going to be bringing this out over the next couple of years. So this is great news to hear. But if you cannot wait that long to get your hands on a flip iPhone and you'd still prefer a bar iPhone design, well, I'm giving you guys a chance to get your hands on one with the giveaway we're doing on this channel for this. This here is an iPhone 16 Pro Max, the Desert Titanium model, and I'm going to be giving this away to one lucky subscriber very soon in this month in December. And in fact, it will be before Christmas time on an international giveaway. And all you have to do at this point at the the moment is just put down into the comments below in this last month of December of what technology that you're hoping to get or be given in 2024, or technology that you're hoping to buy in 2025. Let me know in the comments below. It could be Apple related or non-Apple related. So for example, it could be a new iPhone, it could be a new MacBook, a Mac Mini, it could even be, say, a PS5 Pro, it could be a DJI Pro drone, for example. It could be anything. Put it down into the comments below. And like I said, guys, near the time we get to Christmas, I'm going to be making a video then, and there will be a form to fill in as well, what will be another part of this giveaway. And obviously those details are going to be coming out before Christmas time. And also in this video, I'll be giving you the date of when I'll be doing the live stream to give away this iPhone 16 Pro Max. So if you haven't done so already, you don't want to miss out on it, make sure you subscribe to this channel and also hit that notification bell. The other thing though as well is that you'll want to subscribe because I'm giving this away to a subscriber. The last thing I want to say about this giveaway is that sadly there are still lots of scammers and spammers out there. People still impersonating me too, telling you to WhatsApp, Telegram, you know, they're even telling you to direct message via Instagram. Please do ignore these people. Better secrecy right here. Please do report them. So moving on there, now we've had this leak that 2026 is the sort of target time to get this new flip iPhone. When exactly is going to be the release date? And also, how about the price too? What could this potentially be? Well, starting out with the release date, I think if it's going to be a new iPhone, I think it's potentially going to be coming out with the iPhone sort of 18s in 2026. I know we've not even got to the iPhone 17s yet, but we're talking iPhone 18 in 2026, and that's when this phone could potentially come out. And normally Apple do their events in September time, in the kind of sort of early sort of teen sort of era where they actually do the announcement, but then you can get your hands normally on the new iPhones or products that they announce at that event around about 7 to sort of 10 days later, or sometimes even 2 weeks later. And this is where most likely we're going to be able to get our hands on a brand new flip phone from Apple, what's going to be absolutely amazing to see. Now for price wise, I think we can actually look to the likes of, say, the Motorola Razr, but I would actually say probably point it more towards, say, Samsung as more of a rival sort of here. And as you know, the flip sort of phone right now from Samsung, you know, this costs around about $1,000 or just over that now to get this. And I think this is the sort of pricing that Apple will probably be targeting too, especially in the likes that you can actually pick up, say, a normal sort of iPhone, you know, the normal iPhone sort of 16 right now for about $700. So, you know, you can imagine that, you know, this is going to be the same sort of idea here that, you know, if you're getting a flip kind of capability, they're going to chuck on a couple of more $100 on that. So this is why it's probably going to go up a little bit more. But one thing I would also say on that note, don't expect this flip phone to be a pro phone whatsoever. Expect it to be literally like the iPhone 18 bar standard design phone with the sort of, say, 2 cameras on it, and it just flips. That's probably the main sort of change capability, and also maybe it'll have a screen on the rear, but I'll talk about that in another video in the future. But that is the kind of sort of pricing and sort of release time we're looking towards with the iPhone 17 Flip, or just called the iPhone Flip. But on that note, guys, are you excited about this news? And is it something that you would definitely be getting in 2026, it looks like now? Let me know in the comments below. And with that as well, guys, if you've enjoyed watching this video, please do press the like button. Also, if you want to hear the latest Apple news, reviews and comparisons too, make sure you subscribe to this channel and also hit that notification bell. Until next time, guys, I'll see you really soon. Take care. Bye bye.